Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel where I talk about business, digital skills on how to make money online. In this tutorial, I'll teach you how to convert YouTube videos to blog posts or articles. Kindly like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel and please turn on the notification icon so you'll be notified on any time I upload a new video. So let's get right into this video. The first thing you want to do is to go to YouTube. Let's assume you are writing on the topic digital marketing. For example, on the search bar you search for digital marketing. When you search for digital marketing, these are the options that YouTube has brought out for us. You want to go to filters and you select subtitle CC. When you're selecting this subtitle is because you want to get videos that are already translated. So you click on this subtitle to filter your options. And when you do that, you scroll down to check all the videos. You can watch all the videos to get idea of what a particular video is talking about. So let me use this video for example. So I'm on this video. So when you're on the video, what you want to do, you want to copy this URL of the video. You want to copy it. When you copy the URL of the video, you open a new tab and you search for a website called Downsub. Downsub, this is it. What this website does is it helps you to get translations of different videos. You can now click on this search bar here and you post the YouTube link that you've copied from YouTube and you click on download. So it's going to download. As you can see, we have text here, we have SRT, TST, SRT, TST. You can see here we have English auto-generated. What auto-generated means is that YouTube has already translated this video. So you don't want to select this one, you want to select this English translation. What this one means is that this particular video has been translated by a third party, either by the owner of the video or someone else. So this is what you want to be using. Then you now click on this download button for it to download. So you can see here it's already downloaded and you open it. You highlight it and you copy it. You cannot use this particular text for your article because this is not well structured. You can see it's not well structured. It's looking very scattered. So what you want to do now, you want to arrange this text. You now open a new tab and you search for text fixer, remove line breaks. This is it. You click on it. What this tool helps you to do is that it helps you to arrange and structure your text because what was downloaded was a bit scattered and it was not well structured. So what you do, you come here and you paste it, and when you paste it, you can see how scattered it's looking. Then you can now click on remove all line breaks. Click on remove all line breaks, and when you do that, you click on remove line breaks. You can see that helped us to arrange what was downloaded and you copy. When you copy, you can now go to your Microsoft Word or whatever platform you are using and you paste. When you paste this particular article, you can see you can now read through it, you arrange it, you remove what you want to remove. You can use platform like Grammarly to get your punctuations and make sure that this article is well structured. This is one method to get your article or your blog post. The second method to get your article or your blog post is to go to your Chrome browser. On the search bar, you search for Chrome extension. You search for Chrome extension. So this is our Chrome extension. On the search bar, what you want to search for is YT Scribe Transcribe. This is it. You select it. This is what you'll be downloading. Transcribe YouTube videos, YT Scribe. That's the first search. And you click on it. And you click on Add to Chrome. And you click on Add Extension. So we've been able to add this Chrome extension on our browser. You can as well click on it here. come here, click on it, and you can pin it. So when you are done pinning it, you can now go to YouTube and search for the keyword or the article that you want to write on. Let's say use digital marketing, for example. Digital marketing. When you search for digital marketing, you come back here, you select filters, and you select this subtitle CC. That's what you want to filter it and get subtitled videos, and you click on it. So after this is done filtering your options, you can scroll down and watch the videos, listen to what they are saying, and when you are okay with it, you can just, let's use this video for example again. You can see that this YouTube extension has been able to get the transcript of this video because this video has been translated, and that's why we use the filter option to filter all the videos that has been translated. So you click on get transcript. When you click on get transcript, you can see this is the video transcript. This is everything about the video. These are all the words. You can copy it, read through it, understand what the video is talking about, and you can create your article from it. That's another way to get articles from YouTube videos. I hope this video was helpful. Kindly like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.